Hi guys, and welcome to Hex tutorial channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to be a graphic designer even without experience, or you don't have a background, how to create design, or you don't have an idea how to be a graphic designer. But I'll make it sure that after you watch this video you could be able to create your own design. But before that, let's define what is graphic design. According to Google, graphic design is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in advertisement, magazines, or books. Okay? So, before we continue, if you could kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Okay? In order for you to learn graphic designing, I'll be introducing you to a easy to use platform, which is Canva. So if you don't have yet a Canva account, I just leave the link in the description down below for you to open a free account. Okay, so in Canva, what are the things we can create? In Canva, we can create our presentations like PowerPoint presentations, social media posts. We can create our picture or edit our pictures to post in our social media. We can create our videos. We can create print products like cards, any kind of cards. Marketing, we can create our logo, or we can create a graphic design for our Facebook advertisement. And office, we can create resume like that, letterhead, etc. So now let's go to create a design. Okay, create, and I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So if you want to, just type in here, and that's it. Boom. So now I'm in a blank page of creating a design. So there are things you should remember here, and I think it's very important to learn in order for you to start creating your own design. The templates, the elements, the uploads in the text. I'll show you how to use this so that at the end you can also create your own design. Templates is just to edit. Okay, like for example this templates. Kindly take note what I'm doing to adjust the text. Adjust the text in pictures, same. You can make it smaller. This one, and boom. It's a little smaller. I can change also the color of this one. Just click it, then change the color to red, for example. I can change also the main background. Just click on it and change. I'll change it to blue, and I can change the pictures also. If you have a pictures in your uploads that you will gonna put, or you don't have, you go to elements and find photos in here. Like for example, person. Okay, I want this one to be put in there. I will make it smaller. That's how to edit templates in Canva. I hope you got the idea. Okay, now let's go to add page. To create from scratch, I will change this to white background. So let's start from scratch. So I want to create a design. For example, I want a picture. I want a sunrise. So this is the stock photos of Canva. They are free. This one, what with this is the paid one that you need to have a pro account, and if you don't have a pro account, you need to pay in order to use this photos. Okay, sunrise like that. How to edit pictures, I'll show you the different ways to edit picture. We can make this blur by using transparency. You can change the transparency of this picture. Okay, or you go to edit and choose from here. You want some solar, Kali, and Nordic, and you can adjust also the brightness and contrast in here like that. Okay, contrast, saturation. Okay, and how to put this picture in a frame. So go again to elements. There are a lot of frames here that you can choose from. You want a square, rectangle, round. For example, this round pictures. So just make this in front of this frame. So bring to front, then we can just drag it and insert it to the round frame like that. We can make it bigger, and we can double click it to choose the area we want to be added in the circle or in the frame. Okay, that's it. So let's add other frame in here to show you how to upload pictures also to be added. For example, go to uploads and upload the picture you want to put in that frame. So I have in my downloads, I have pictures in here. For example, this one, the t-shirt design that I'm selling. So let's wait in here, and then after uploading you can move here. Okay, and you can insert again to the frame, and again you can just move so that the face of the guy will be seen. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll take this. That's it, how to edit picture. So now let's go to text, and I'll show you how to add text and edit the text itself. Okay, so I'll bring this app, double click and write sample text, and to edit the text, just click the text and the menu will show up in here. Here I can make this text to the uppercase. Just click here, or I want spacing adjustment. Okay, that's how to the spacing of letters. Now the spacing of line. So I have auto words, so I can make it. Wait. You can see it. So I'll just move like that. Okay, this is how to adjust the spacing between words. Okay, and I can change also the fonts in here, make it unseen, and I can increase the font size, or I can make it manually 100. Oops, 100, bang, like that. Okay, and I can change the color of the text to red. Okay, and I can make this text round for smaller so that it can be seen. So that's how to edit text and pictures. It's very simple. So I'll show you how to position this picture. For example, just for the sake of demonstration, you can position the picture at the center and in the middle like that. Okay, and you can put the text inside the pictures like that, or outside the picture. This one you can make it smaller. So if you want more to be creative in your text, just go to elements, then write, for example, letter balloons. So here I can choose the letters, or there are already prepared words. For example, here you can just open this and Just put like this. And make it smaller. So that's already the prepared word, but we can make it by letters. For example, bed. Or we can add also flowers, letters filled with flowers. Letter filled with flowers. Just to add creativity in designing. We just look this kind of flowers. It's so bed, let's just continue bedroom. Okay, that's all for today, and I hope you could create your own design using Canva by applying the step-by-step I just showed you. How to edit pictures, edit letters, and how to be more creative in your design. Thank you for watching, and if you could, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. And if you don't have yet a Canva account, just check the link in the description down below to open your free account in Canva. Thank you, and see you in the next video.